What is the function of those priming pumps?
To fill the lines.
Excuse me?
To bring the fuel if it's not.
No? Okay, help to bring the fuel and
To clear the air.
bleed the air. Why in this particular engine I have one priming pump here and other one here in the fuel injection pump? Because I need to eliminate the bubbles in the circuit completely. Okay, I am going to eliminate the bubbles here in between the secondary filters. Look, in this moment the system is pressurized, and here is pressurized. Let me check here if I have air. Look at this, my friends. Look at this. You see? Okay, bubbles. And now I tight again, and I pressurize the system again. Hey, I pressurize the system again, and now the fuel is coming without bubbles. And now I can do the same procedure in the other priming pump. And now I don't have air in the low pressure side.